In this video, I'm going to show you the Inscape365 Recycle Bin and point out key differences between this and the Recycle Bin in Office 365 Admin Center. Once you're logged into Inscape365, navigate to Office 365. Click on that. That will expose left-hand navigation. Scroll to Office 365 Users, click the arrow, and then scroll and click on Office 365 Recycle Bin. That will expose your user recycle bin where you can select the people or peoples within your organization that you would like to permanently delete. You may ask, why is this important? Well, this is important because in the Office 365 Admin Center, it means that there's a 30-day hold on deleted users. So there is no real time for deleting users. So if you need to go and reappropriate a particular mailbox, you can't do it until the 30-day hold is over. Whereas in Inscape 365, it's instantaneous. You could reassign that shared mailbox, whether it's an admin box, an IT box, to whoever you want within your organization, whether it's somebody that's already there or a new hire, in real time. Quick, simple, and easy, and with a click of a button and in real time.